This video is about inflammation, unraveling the scientific underpinnings of human health. Inflammation, a biological response, is the body's intricate defense mechanism against harmful stimuli such as pathogens, damaged cells, or irritants. While acute inflammation is a vital part of the immune system's response to injuries or infections, chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases and health complications. Understanding the science behind inflammation is crucial in comprehending its role in human health and disease. At its core, inflammation is a complex cascade of events orchestrated by the immune system. When tissues are injured or infected, a series of coordinated steps occur involving cells, molecular mediators, and blood vessels. The process typically unfolds in several stages. Initiation. In response to injury, infection, or stress, cells release signaling molecules called cytokines. These cytokines prompt blood vessels to dilate, allowing increased blood flow to the affected area. This dilation leads to redness, warmth, and swelling, hallmarks of acute inflammation. Recruitment of immunocells. Chemical signals attract white blood cells, primarily neutrophils, to the site of injury or infection. Neutrophils help neutralize pathogens and clear debris, playing a crucial role in the early phase of the inflammatory response. Resolution. As the immune response progresses, anti-inflammatory molecules step in to regulate and resolve the process. Specialized pro-resolving mediators help limit inflammation, promote tissue repair, and restore homeostasis. While acute inflammation is a short-term, controlled process crucial for healing, chronic inflammation presents a different scenario. When the inflammatory response persists for an extended period, it can become harmful, contributing to various chronic conditions and diseases. The science behind chronic inflammation involves a complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Factors such as ongoing infections, obesity, smoking, stress, poor diet, and autoimmune disorders can perpetuate chronic inflammation. In this context, the immune system remains in a state of heightened activity, leading to tissue damage and contributing to the development of various diseases. The impact of chronic inflammation extends to a wide array of health conditions. Diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, asthma, and certain cancers have strong associations with chronic inflammation. Moreover, emerging research suggests that conditions like cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even mental health disorders might be influenced or exacerbated by chronic inflammatory processes. Understanding the molecular mechanisms underlying inflammation has led to groundbreaking discoveries in medicine. Scientists have identified specific molecular pathways and inflammatory markers associated with various diseases. For instance, C-reactive protein (CRP) is a marker of inflammation often used to assess the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Targeting these pathways has become a focal point in developing novel therapeutic interventions aimed at modulating inflammation and treating associated diseases. Several lifestyle modifications can help mitigate chronic inflammation. A balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fatty fish, can help reduce inflammation. Regular exercise, stress management techniques, adequate sleep, and smoking cessation also play pivotal roles in modulating inflammatory responses. Moreover, pharmaceutical interventions targeting inflammatory pathways have shown promise in managing chronic inflammatory diseases. Medications like nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and SAIDs, corticosteroids, and newer biologic agents, specifically designed to inhibit inflammatory molecules, have revolutionized the treatment of conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Research on the gut microbiome has also unveiled intriguing connections between microbial diversity, inflammation, and overall health. The gut microbiota's composition influences the body's inflammatory status, and strategies to promote a healthy gut ecosystem hold potential in modulating inflammation and preventing associated diseases. In conclusion, the science behind inflammation underscores its dual nature, an essential defense mechanism crucial for healing and an influential factor in chronic diseases when dysregulated. Understanding the intricate mechanisms of inflammation has opened avenues for therapeutic interventions, lifestyle modifications, and preventive measures aimed at managing and preventing chronic inflammatory conditions. Continued research in this field holds promise for novel treatments and strategies that harness the body's immune response for improved human health and well-being.